Have you ever wondered if you're truly alone in the universe? Picture, if you will, a cosmos teeming with life, civilizations far more advanced than ours, reaching out across the dark expanse of space. The concept of extraterrestrial existence has long intrigued us, sparking countless theories, debates, and even fears. We've seen it in our books, our movies, our video games, civilizations clashing with alien invaders, our reality turned inside out. But what if it's not merely the stuff of science fiction? What if, unbeknownst to us, we're already in the midst of an invasion, not with a bang, but with a whisper? Imagine a silent takeover, an unseen invasion, slowly and methodically replacing us, changing the very fabric of our society. Not with destruction, but with subtle transformation. Sounds like a plot twist, doesn't it? But here's the kicker. What if I told you that 40% of humanity isn't what it seems? A secret, buried for 2 billion years, is finally coming to light. Imagine a narrative spun around the threads of time so ancient it predates the earliest of our human ancestors. This is a tale of cosmic proportions, of extraterrestrial beings and their hidden influence on our planet. The whispers of this secret began as mere theories, ideas too vast and incredible to believe. There were the ancient astronaut theories suggesting that extraterrestrial beings visited Earth in prehistoric times, theories that hypothesized these otherworldly visitors as the architects of our ancient wonders. But then science stepped in, and the whispers grew louder. We discovered traces of unknown elements in our soil, elements not native to our planet dating back 2 billion years. We found inexplicable alterations in our genetic code, changes that seem to have occurred eons ago, yet are too advanced for our primitive ancestors to have made. This evidence points towards a shocking conclusion. We are not alone. We have never been alone. For 2 billion years, an alien presence has been here, covertly influencing the course of our evolution. And how was this monumental secret unearthed? It was through relentless scientific inquiry, through the tireless efforts of researchers and theorists who dared to look beyond the accepted truths. They dug deep, both metaphorically and literally, to uncover a secret that was buried beneath layers of time and denial. The implications of this revelation are as vast as the universe itself. It challenges our understanding of our own history, our evolution, and our place in the cosmos. It raises questions about our identity as a species, about our origins and our destiny. And this secret isn't just ancient history. It's happening right now, in our very midst. Imagine 40% of the people you know not being who you think they are. Now let's delve into this chilling thought. What if I told you that there's a theory stating that nearly half of humanity has been replaced by aliens? Yes, you heard it right. 40%. That's almost every other person you come across. But how and why? Well, the signs are subtle, the evidence circumstantial, and the reasons, well, they're downright speculative. Let's start with the signs. Unusual patterns of behavior, sudden change in personal preferences, even a shift in political or religious beliefs. These could all be indicators of someone being a replaced individual. Now, the evidence. It's mostly anecdotal, stories of people feeling different, not fitting in, or having inexplicable skills and knowledge. There are also accounts of missing time, unexplained scars, and strange dreams, all potentially hinting at alien intervention. But why would an alien race want to replace us? The reasons vary from the benign to the terrifying. Some believe it's a peaceful attempt at integration, a slow merging of species for mutual survival. Others propose it's a stealthy invasion, a silent takeover of our planet. The implications of this theory are profound. If true, it alters our understanding of the world, of humanity itself. It challenges our notions of identity, of what it means to be us. And it raises unsettling questions about our future. But let's pause for a moment. What if this isn't sinister, but an opportunity? An opportunity for us to learn, to grow, to evolve. Maybe this isn't about them replacing us, but about us becoming more than we currently are. So as we grapple with these thoughts, let's remember the truth is rarely simple, often complex, and always fascinating. It's a journey of discovery, a quest for understanding, a pursuit of knowledge, and who knows, maybe we're not alone in this journey. Maybe our alien counterparts are with us, learning and growing alongside us. So the next time you're in a crowd, remember, almost half of them might not be human. What does this mean for the future of humanity? In light of this unearthed secret, the future of humanity might seem uncertain, even frightening. But let's consider the possibilities. On one hand, we have the potential for cooperation and coexistence. Yes, it's a stretch, but not entirely out of the realm of possibility. After all, these entities have been among us for 2 billion years, and in that time they've become a part of our world, almost indistinguishable from us. If they've been here this long, perhaps they're not so different from us after all. Maybe we could learn from them, gain new insights into the universe, and even form alliances that could propel us into a new era of intergalactic cooperation. On the other hand, there's the potential for conflict and resistance. If these beings have been replacing us, then it's natural to wonder if they might be planning something more sinister. Could they be preparing for a full-scale invasion? If that's the case, then we'll need to be ready. We'll need to band together, harness our resources, and stand our ground. And this is where science and technology come into play. They've been our greatest allies in uncovering this invasion, and they'll continue to be our best hope in dealing with it. Researchers around the world are already working on ways to detect these beings, to understand their biology and their technology, and to develop defenses against them. With the right tools and the right knowledge, we can turn the tide. But regardless of which path we take, one thing is clear: we can't ignore this. We can't go back to the way things were. The future of humanity has changed, and it's up to us to decide what that future will look like. The truth is out there, and it's closer than you might think.